Sir, may I ask what are you doing here?
Who are you?
Okay, I'm the postal employee. May I see your ID? What
Can
are you
I
doing?
see your ID?
I'm right here. No, I'm wearing the uniform.
What?
I'm wearing a uniform right now.
What'd you say?
This is a federal building and I'm on a uniform right now. What are you doing right here, sir?
I'd suggest you take about 2 steps back and I'm going to defend myself.
I'm gonna call the police because you're supposed not to do on anything video on the federal building.
Do you understand that I'm on a public sidewalk?
No, okay. You stay right there, okay?
Okay. No, you stay right here.
Hi.
How you doing?
Who are you with?
I'm an independent journalist.
Okay. As an independent journalist, you need permission to film on federal property. Are you aware of that? So you have a choice. You can either step outside and wait for the police department,
Sure,
or I can remove you from this premise.
You're going to physically remove me?
Yes, I will.
You're going to touch me?
No, I'm going to escort you out.
How are you going to do that without touching me?
I'm going to have to ask you to leave, sir.
Okay, and if I refuse to leave,
And are you filming now?
physically?
Are you filming now?
Sure.
Okay, do you know that you are not allowed to film someone?
Sure I do. You're in public.
Really?
Yeah, you have no expectation of privacy.
This is a federal building?
It's public lobby.
No, it's not.
This isn't a public lobby?
This is a federal
This
estate.
is a public lobby.
Okay,
I know
sir,
what I'm doing.
Now you've spit on me. I'm going to ask you to leave
I'm not
right now.
spitting on you.
You just
Don't-
did.
don't make up lies.
You just spit.
Don't make up lies.
Check your film, sir.
Don't make up
I need
lies.
you to leave.
And if I don't,
You need to leave.
you're going to physically remove me?
Can I
Don't
please-
touch me. You touch me, it's battery.
Okay, it's
Take
not
your
that.
hands off me.
I'm not.
Take your hands off me. You touch me again,
I'm asking
that's
you
assault.
to leave. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Don't take your hands off me.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to leave.
Take your hands off
I'm
me.
going to ask you to leave.
Take your hands off
I'm
me.
going to ask you to leave, sir. Can you please leave?
Don't touch me, man.
I'm asking you to leave.
Okay.
Can you please leave?
For what?
You need to leave now.
For what?
Because you're not allowed to be filming.
I have the memo
Here.
from your post office that allows it.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't?
Show me it. Show me your permit as well.
No, here's
That
the
it
memo.
gives you authorization to film on federal property.
Right here.
This is not a permit.
Well, then, I don't need a
Let me have your
permit.
permit.
No, you
Let me
just
have your
asked for it?
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing, man?
Okay, thank you.
It's not yours.
This is not mine. You just left it there. Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're an
That's-
ass, dude.
Really?
Yeah, you're an ass.
Right, now
touched
you're calling me names.
Yeah, you touched
So
me.
now you're threatening me by calling me names.
I didn't threaten you. I
I'm
said
on-
you're an ass.
No.
No,
That's calling me a
Go
name.
back in there, dude.
No, your lack of
You don't have-
respect.
Hey,
your
you
lack
got
of
no respect, dude.
And your sense of
You got no
whatever this
respect. You
is.
touched me.
You're interrupting me. You're argumentative. You're yelling at me. You're ripping things out of my hand.
Yeah, you took it out of my hand.
You spit
took
on
this.
me, and yet
Make
I'm
it
the
up,
bad
dude.
guy.
Make it up.
It's
Make
on
it up.
your film.
Make it up, dude.
It's on
Make
your
it up.
film, sir.
Fucking full of shit, dude.
Now you're cussing again.
Yeah.
So
Fuck you.
I don't know. There you go. Now you're threatening me, telling me to fuck me.
That's a threat.
Thank you very much.
Doesn't your wife tell you that?
Do not come back in here. The police will be here, and I'm having you arrested.
Fuck you.
Okay. Now you've threatened me twice.
Fuck you. That's the third
That's
time.
the third
I'll wait for the cops.
Now I've got 20 witnesses.
Yeah,
in here that
fuck
heard
you. That's the fourth time, asshole.
Really?
Yeah, you gonna touch me?
Really?
Hello, sir. I'm just out recording. Recording with my video camera, sir. I'm just recording out here. I'm not doing anything to be a bad boy or anything, am I? I'm just recording. Recording what? Well, right now you saw it because you came out to say, what are you doing? I'm just out here recording. What company you're with? We're with the company that's called Please Leave Us Alone. But I don't think we want membership from you. Well, then you can't join our Leave Us Alone club. We're not going to give you membership because you're not leaving us alone, sir. If you take back all your questions, we'll let you have membership for free for 6 months. And then there's no dues for another 6 months. Oh, look, sir, you're recording. You just said I can't record you. That seems kind of cockamamie, sir. Sir, did you get those tattoos in prison? Because I was a shot caller.
What are you doing?
What's that?
Why are you recording all the cameras? Why are you recording the building?
Hey, buddy, you're walking up to me asking me why I'm recording, and now you're blocking my camera.
Yeah,
Please
you're right, and I'm on public property.
So am I. But don't impede what I'm doing. I'm
I'm
making a living. Don't block my camera, please. Just
Okay.
leave me alone.
Why are you recording a public facility? Are you a terrorist? Are you plotting something? My name is Eric Turner, and I'm about to report you if you don't answer my question. You plead the fifth? Now you're on camera as well. You don't like that, do you? I'll break that camera. Follow me. Come with me.
Eric Turner, you just made a threat. Make sure that when the cops come, you made a threat, dude. Eric Turner made a threat. You're a fool, man. Don't do that.
I didn't.
You said, I'll break your camera. I got it on video, dude. That's a threat.
You're causing troubles now, sir.
Yeah, right. You're the fool.
harassing me now.
Oh, I'm harassing you? Go away, man. Go away, Eric Turner. You got in my business. It's not going to end now. I'll break your camera. Yeah, right, man. You're a tough guy, aren't you? Here's my camera, man. You gonna break it?
There's a gentleman that's harassing you. He's walking around.
I'm harassing you. You came up to me, man.
got a little different in the middle of the road. The oldest, he's out, he's got big videos.
This is bullshit. Cop's gonna arrest me for disorderly conduct. What a joke.
So you're good to go.
He just told him he's good to go, so I'm gonna be good to go now. They're gonna shake hands and suck off each other.
I'm sorry, sir, what's your first name again?
My first name was Phil.
Is it Philip?
Phil, uh-huh.
Just P-H-I-L? Phil, what's your middle initial?
Oh, I'm not gonna give my last name.
Okay.
I haven't committed a crime. I
All
just
right.
want to be on
Well,
my
Phil,
way.
I'm trying to get you on your way, and you're involved in a disturbance here, and I'm trying not to arrest you. But if you are going to be uncooperative with me,
I'm trying to be
I am going to
cooperative.
arrest you,
I
okay?
am cooperative.
So if you want to turn your camera off then, because I'm going to be placing you into custody for disorderly conduct.
Uh-oh, here we go, everybody.
That's him. Hi, good morning.
Oh, hello, sir.
How are you?
Hello, mister.
Hi.
I'm pretty good.
That's a nice camera you got.
Thank you.
It's a Sony camera. You know, is there anything I can help you with, or you just want to stand here and film?
I'm just out here doing PP, you know, public photography.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
okay.
not doing, I rented a Hood's rent-a-car today, so I got unlimited mileage, so I'm going around everywhere to film.
Okay, are you, with that accent, you're not from California, are you?
No, sir.
Wait, Wisconsin? Minnesota?
I'm from Minnesota.
That was a pretty good guess.
Yes, sir.
Well, anyway.
I was adopted, and
Okay.
my parents, I've had an unhappy childhood, but my new parents have treated me right, and they gave me money. I can drive a car because I rented a car at Hertz. They gave me unlimited mileage, so I'm just going around the community. I'm going to go to Farmers Market next.
Okay, over from Fairfax District?
Yeah.
Hi there.
So who are you? Are you the sheriff?
No, I'm not the sheriff.
No?
But I am security. And we just wanted to make sure you're okay.
Oh, well, I feel I'm okay. A lot of people say I'm not because, you know, I do the best I can.
There you go. And
That's all. I just try to push ahead.
all right.
One step forward, maybe I go backwards, but it's always forward.
One step at a time.
That's it. And I trip. That's the problem.
Be careful.
I trip
Be
a lot.
careful.
Hey,
So-
you guys have nice hats.
Well, thank you.
Can I get one of those?
Unfortunately,
can't-
it's only for our staff.
Heck,
Yeah.
maybe they could hire me part-time.
Well, if you could apply.
I could?
You could go online and apply.
Online?
Online.
Oh, that would be wonderful.